So welcome back to the channel guys. Today is 15th of August and it's just 12:10 in the midnight, and I am not joking. As you all can see, it's 12:21 in the 12:20 in the midnight, and as you all also can see, it's very dark outside. And today I don't know what happened to me. Some black magic is going on with me. Usually I sleep at 11 in the night, and today I don't know what happened today. 12 o'clock is going on. But yes, I am going to sleep now. Let's see what happens next. Let's start this video. Today is Indian Independence Day. Welcome back to the channel guys. My name is Sagar Singh. Let's vlog it up. And yes guys, it's time for me to sleep now because there are 100% of chances that my neighbors are going to come and beat me very nicely and thrash me out of my house because it is already 12 in the midnight and I am talking so loudly in my house. We have the whole day to celebrate the Independence Day, and I will also be telling you some interesting and cool facts about our Independence Day. So for that you have to watch the video till end. And yes, if you do not have subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon. Okay, let me go to sleep. Boom. Yes guys, now it is morning time and it is just I think so 9:30 in the morning. I woke up at 7 a.m. and yes guys, the sleep time was only 6 hours for me, and I am feeling very much energetic and I am feeling to make more vlogs. Jokes apart guys, today is 15th of August, so I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Please comment down what are you doing or what you did today to make this special day more special. And yes, we are in my home there are patriotic songs going on, very much patriotic songs, poems and that all, and everyone should listen because that is obvious, like because of whom we are here today freely enjoying and making vlogs are because of those freedom fighters only. So yes, everyone should listen to those songs and feel some patriotism in their mind.
2 hours later.
So guys, we have just came out in the shop now. It is almost I think 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and we just came at a shopper stop, and shopping is actually very much hectic, especially with mothers and sisters, because I don't know what black magic happens with them. They are not ready to leave the shop. One thing they will see hundreds of times, but still they will not leave the shop. As you all can see, this was the shopper stop. There is the board. Okay, now we are leaving. Today is 15th of August, so I thought that sale would be much more, but it's not like that case. And yes, yeah, there is shopper stop. Yes, so let's see wherever we go. Either we will go home or we will go to another shop.
One eternity later.
So guys, now we are in West Side store, and like I am very much tired. I didn't knew that it would be like so much tiring to shop in such a clothing section, and I am not shopping for myself. Actually, me and my father was looking for something that I did not got, and my mother and sister are shopping now. But like it is so much hectic, I cannot bear anymore. I am like very much tired. My legs are paining a little bit. So let's see. For women, the shopping is endless, and for us, like shopping is the rest. Very much tireful. So let's see in what time we will go and what will be our condition. So guys, I am finally back home, and it was like a very much tiring day. As you all can see, there is a little bit tiredness in my voice also. And yes, we went to 3 or 4 more shops, but it was very much tiring, so I did not shoot anything much there. And yes, I thought that today I will share with you all some cool or exciting facts about the Independence Day. But yes, the things are like this only, but nevertheless we will make some great upcoming vlogs. So for that, please subscribe to my channel. This was for this video. If you enjoyed, please hit the like button, and if you didn't like, then press the dislike or whatever you want. Comment your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. Share this video to your family and friends. We can get more subscribers and more support from you all guys. And yes, like, share, subscribe, comment, and I will see you in my next video. Take care, have fun, enjoy.